Coffee's people's first interaction outside of their house. They're getting ready to start their day. Hi, I'm Mark, and this is the day in the life of a barista. I come in at 6 a.m., get everything set up, doors open at 7. My job as a barista is to really maintain the quality of the beverages that I'm serving, as well as just keeping everything very clean and efficient. So in the morning, I'm just cleaning everything off. I'm gonna give everything a really thorough wipe down and just get it ready to go. If our coffee isn't tasting good, people aren't gonna be happy. Sometimes I might need to make some adjustments. It's really about balancing all the different variables. I'm happy with that. I think I'm mostly set up, ready to go. Once you're comfortable, the coffee's kind of the easy part. Hard part is just keeping that balance of quality and speed, because once you get busy, there's just so much going on and you're trying to keep ticket times down. 3 important skills for this job. Definitely a sense of urgency and like hustle. You really gotta be comfortable moving quickly. You definitely need to stay calm under pressure, but I'd say honestly, it's understanding how to deal and talk with people. How's it going? Probably the most common issue is really just when something goes wrong. Usually it's really simple to resolve. Oftentimes we'll just remake something for somebody. I think the most challenging is when there's any kind of emotional issue, but for the most part, it's pretty simple. A lot of my early growth came through just reading coffee books, watching experts on YouTube. That kind of helped me understand the basics. And then you start working with people who have industry knowledge, who help hone that. There aren't a lot of barriers to get into coffee. People come with lots of education, people come with no education, and is really a welcoming place. While we're balancing helping the customers we have in line, we're also receiving online orders that we're trying to fill in as we go. Sometimes we'll get 4, 5, 6 drinks all in just one ticket. Makes you realize there's a lot more going on behind the bar than what the customer always sees. I don't want to step away without them knowing at what point in my order queue I'm at. It just makes everything easier for everybody. Yeah. No worries, I'll prep it. Headed on my break, just like that, half the day is gone. So it's been a long dream of mine to open my own shop. It's a big part of really what motivated me early on. And that's part of why I'm here right now, is because Camellia gives me the opportunity to have more free time to focus on that, as well as just being very supportive of that.
We're really lucky to have him, but he also better get out of here someday and open his own shop, because that's what he's destined to do.
I've been in the education department, training new baristas, writing education material, teaching classes to the public, quality control for retail, really looking at how do I keep a consistent product across multiple locations. I've done equipment maintenance and repair, so working on coffee equipment, espresso machines. I've had a lot of different roles in this industry.
What's your favorite role you've had?
I loved every job that I've done, but it's the most fun at times to just be a barista. All right, well, it's another day in the books. 1:30, heading out, all cleaned up, and we'll do it again tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see the latest from Indeed, subscribe to their YouTube channel down below. Yeah. I'm being recorded. Yeah.